Hey everyone. Today I invite you to embark on a journey of greater understanding and heartfelt commitment to conserving and restoring our precious terrestrial and freshwater ecosystems. These ecosystems, forests, wetlands, mountains and drylands, aren't just geographical features, they're the lifeblood of our planet. They nurture our souls, sustain our lives, and enrich our world with their unparalleled beauty and diverse life forms. Imagine standing in a verdant forest, feeling the cool breeze on your face and hearing the soothing melody of birdsong. Or picture the serenity of a wetland where life flourishes in abundance and harmony. These places, brimming with life and wonder, are gifts we must cherish and protect. Our hearts tell us that it's not just an international obligation, but a deep moral duty to our Earth and future generations. Allow me to share a story that resonates with our mission. In a vast, lush forest, a fire erupted, inciting panic among its inhabitants. Amidst the chaos, a diminutive hummingbird with remarkable resolve flew back and forth between a river and the flames. Each time, it carried a single drop of water in its beak, tirelessly attempting to extinguish the roaring fire. The other animals watched in a mix of awe and skepticism, questioning its effort, but the hummingbird, determined and unyielding, simply replied, "I am doing what I can." This poignant tale teaches us a profound lesson. No matter how insurmountable the challenges we face, every small action matters. Our individual contributions to the conservation, restoration, and sustainable use of our ecosystems are vital threads in a larger, beautiful tapestry of collective effort. Together, our efforts can spark monumental changes and inspire a ripple effect of positive actions across the globe. Think about the legacy we leave for our children and their children. The choices we make today will echo through time, shaping the world they inherit. It is our sacred duty to ensure that they too can experience the awe and splendor of nature in its purest form. We owe it not only to ourselves, but to every living creature that shares this planet with us, to be vigilant stewards of the earth. So let's draw inspiration from the humble hummingbird and commit ourselves to this noble cause. Let us honor our international commitments and follow our moral compass, ensuring the conservation, restoration, and sustainable use of our terrestrial and freshwater ecosystems. Together we can create a thriving, resilient, and vibrant world for all. Thank you.